Why are you finding fewer companies coming to you trying to raise capital?
Mary, I believe the reason is that a lot of entrepreneurs and companies do not want to sell new equity or dilute themselves at lower valuations. The reality is that the valuations are down. Investors are willing to invest, but willing to invest only at lower valuations. So I think that is the reason why deal flow has declined substantially.
And what kind of impact are you seeing on exits for your portfolio company because of that?
Yeah, there have been no exits recently. The IPO market, as you know, is more or less shut down. The M&A activity is there, but it's not as aggressive as it was in the recent past. But I suspect that the M&A activity will pick up.
What do you think the big roadblock to M&A is? Is it the issue of valuations?
I think in the fourth quarter of last year, with the shock in the system, I think everybody backed off. I think nobody wanted to make any decision until there was more clarity on the horizon, and I think we're beginning to see that a little bit. So I think Q1 saw a sharp decline in all activity.
Why do you think it will loosen now, and how quickly do you think M&A activity will be back up?
Well, it's hard to predict how rapidly the activity will pick up. But I suspect that the world has concluded the world is not coming to an end from a financial point of view. And so people have calmed down, I think, and they are willing to move forward.
There's a lot of talk about new attempts for liquidity in the middle market. SecondMarket and others are trying to set up platforms for people to buy and sell privately owned stock. What do you think about those attempts?
I think if they come about, if they provide liquidity, that would be fantastic. Anytime a private company can find liquidity or other sources of liquidity or valuation, it's excellent. It's great for those companies. And so these attempts are good attempts. Not sure whether they will be successful or not, but I wish them all the best in getting there.